First, please download microbit openboard moto led test.hex into your microbit. This is found in the code.zip in this lesson resource. Next, we will need the expansion board, the program microbit, power bank with its micro USB, and the LED modules. Slot in the microbit into the expansion board and power it with the power bank. Connect the LED module with its 3-pin female to bond cable. The LED module may be connected to PWM 5 or 6 on the expansion board. To ensure the red and black color cables orientation matches the expansion board red and black pins. Switch on the expansion board and press microbit button A to test whether the LED modules lights up. Please press B to switch it off. Please repeat the process for the next LED module. Next, we will test the TT gear DC motors. At each time, you could connect the DC motors pins to M1 or M2 terminals of the expansion board. Do not worry about the connection priority at this moment. Press microbit button A and check the DC motor does rotate. Please press B to stop the motor. Please repeat the process for the rest of the TT gear DC motors.